Hello my friends, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you that how to make attributes. Okay, attribute it means where we use, as you know, is we make in the sections, cross sections like that, and section names and reference number, section A, section B, section C, like that. Okay, it's a simple thing, but a lot of people ask me to make this video. Two times someone comments me to make a video of how to make attributes. So I bring a simple thing, as you know. So today also I bring some simple on how to edit and how to make your own attributes. So it's easy. So let's start it. Okay, first of all, if you are using any AutoCAD, no problem, 13 12, I'm using 2013, but you have to use this drafting and annotation. Okay, so it can be easy to use each and define attribute, create block, and insert attribute. It's front of you. Okay, so let's start it how to make it. I will show you. First of all, you make like that, as simple circle and one line, and this line should be separate inside and scale like that only. Okay, so let's start how to make attribute. You can see here define attribute in the insert. There is define attribute. So click on that. Okay, one box will open for you. So now this is asking tag. What you need, for example, we are making here scale 1 is to 100 and uh, reference number, it means like section A, section B, and here we make reference number 0 1, drawing 1, drawing 2, or 0 1 or 0 2. Okay, so now let's start. Define attribute and tag we have to write here. First of all, we make here 1 is to 100 scale. Okay, so just type scale, SCALE, scale. On both you type scale 3 also, sorry, SCALE scale. Again here also SCALE scale. You know, here came center. You have to follow this video just only, then you can understand last. Okay, scale, just put text height. What text height you have? I'm using the down one, this one. It's height 1, so I'm using 1. I click 1. So those this don't need to be change anything. Lock passion and specified on screen. It's default check. Okay, so click OK. Now you get this scale. So just put here. Just put here. So this scale should convert into 1 is to 100 later on. I will show you how to change it. Now we will make here and here reference number, and this one also section A or section B. So go again, define attribute, tag. What you have to write? AA. For example, you can write BB also, no problem. CC, whatever section name you have. Prompt write just SECTION, section mark, like that. And default same, you have to write above, same thing what you have, AA. And this one make centered and text height whatever you have, but I have 1. Okay, so just click in the center. It came in the center. Okay, now for here reference number, just go again and define attribute, type reference ref only, it's enough. And again you have to write ref, ref, refe, sorry, reference, and same what you write above, ref. Okay, maybe other people have some different types of method, but it's my type, but I always use like that. So just make center and okay, just click here, reference. Now it's enough, we make it. So we have to make this block, create block, just select all. Okay, we selected all now, and click enter as your normal break block. Then write name SECTION, section title, whatever name you can make it, TITLE title. And just if you have opened this one, just uncheck this one. It's okay, no problem. I don't have this highlighted, so that's why. So click OK. It's asking the base point of the attribute, so just click here. Okay, so your attribute it's ready now. So just what you'll do now, go for, if you need to be just change B or 0 1 or 1:100, how you will edit. Just this, click here, you have here attribute, edit attribute, single, just select the attribute. This box will open, so you can change here. Reference number you can give 1, and scale you can give 1:100 if you have. Just type here 1:100 or 200, whatever you have. And section mark, like for example you have B or B1, like that. Just click apply. Okay, see, your attribute is ready. For example, if you want to insert one more time in another drawing, just insert, you will get this one, or section title, what your name you write, click OK. For another section you can make it. So again you can edit from here, single, see, now you can write reference number 0 to scale 1:200, 1:200, and section mark C1, apply. Okay, see, now we have two type of section. Okay, I think you understand this video. So it's my simple way what I done, what I know about, I explain you. So okay, people have a different type of methods, but this I think this is the easiest one. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye. And please do subscribe my channel, and please watch my all videos.